What's going on, everybody? I think this week is really crucial, so I just want to go over a few things with you guys before you guys start doing any trades or start any positions. All right, so just an update from the video I made yesterday, right? My portfolio is up about $200, nothing crazy. I kind of expected it, right? Up 200 and something dollars on this position. Like I said, I'm not really too impressed. It could have definitely been more. Looking to cash out with at least $600. But the Feds are speaking this week. I believe Tuesday and Wednesday. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it is Tuesday and Wednesday the Feds will be speaking. So honestly, if I see a pump today, I might even sell it today, depending on how the level 2 data is looking. Right, up 130 on this, just with 50 shares. Nothing crazy. Generally, if you guys start a position, Rocco's rule of thumb is try to get like 5 to 7% return with your money, right? That's how he's been swing trading, so I've been trying to follow that. Market isn't opened yet, so I don't know how I'm doing with the credit spreads. Amazon has earnings this week as well. I believe it's either today or tomorrow. It's one of these days, or on Wednesday. I don't even remember, but it's definitely sometime this week. So definitely things to look out for this week is most of the S&P 500, right? Hold on, let me show you guys. All right, the S&P 500, the biggest names like Tesla, Amazon, Google, right? Facebook, Apple, pretty much like the 5 biggest companies that weigh the most on the S&P 500 right here. They have earnings this week, so depending on how earnings are looking like, that could impact the market. Okay, so that's why, like, it's a Monday, and if futures aren't really like too high and they're kind of trading flat, I would be a little careful. Because usually, like, Monday is the day where people do the most. Monday and Tuesday where people trade the most. So you'll see the market up like a decent amount on Mondays and Tuesdays. So seeing how it's flat and stuff, that's telling me that the smart money, like, they're being really careful. So I would be careful too if I were you. You don't want to get caught on the wrong side of the trade. Okay. And then another thing that we need to think about for this week is, like I said, the Feds, and then Biden, is going to detail his American family plans for this week about tax increases, etc. Right? So he's going to be talking about taxes this week, which isn't good for the market. So I might actually sell these this week and then jump back in after the prices drop back again. I mean, I'm banking that the prices might drop, right? So that sometimes that's just how you got to maneuver. America, right, lifts pause on the Johnson & Johnson COVID vaccine, clearing states to use it for this week. So that's good news, I guess. But something that's not good is that India reports, another spike in COVID cases. I believe they already had I forgot the numbers. Oh yeah, they reported like about like 350,000 new cases, but here's the fucked up part, right? Like, in America, we don't use AstraZeneca vaccines, but yet we're gonna help them. We're gonna send them goods so they can manufacture AstraZeneca vaccines. So that's America for you, but that's a different story. So, in my last video, I was talking about looking at the charts, right? So I'm going to look at the chart here, right? So in this 1 month chart, Jets has actually been on a downtrend. It kind of bounced back up a little bit. It's above it reclaimed its position, right? Trending support on the 8-day and 21-day line from what I'm seeing here, but it hasn't gone past the 50-day line. So in a way, it's still kind of bearish, but it's getting there, though. It's not too far down. If I look at the week chart, right, in this week, it definitely was trending above the 8-day, so that's really bullish, right? In the short term wise, this looks really bullish, right? It seems like it's on its way to an uptrend. But then remember, just because a stock is trending on the support line of an 8-day or 21-day, or it could even go above, you know, the line, like way above, usually it's gonna have to come back down and touch the support lines again, right? And trend slightly just above it. So these are things that we got to think about as well, right? Like if you look at right here, right, like Jets right here on April 21st, right, on the 1 week chart, it trended like slightly above you know, the 8-day and the 21-day moving average, but look, eventually it came right back to its support, right, touching it. So Jets has this thing of doing that. So I wouldn't be surprised if Jets today, you know, goes down a little bit, touches, or even goes below, right, this 21-day support before it comes back up. So it's something I got to look into. As of now, I'm still bullish on the airlines. I just don't like you know, the news and the announcements we have coming for this week. And for the members, I've shared this link with you guys, right, for you guys to see you know, different announcements and stuff coming up every week, right? As you can see here, right, there's a Fed announcement on Wednesday, and then, you know, etc. So definitely look into that if you're trading, right, because the news does matter if you're trading in the short term. And then another link that I recently sent you guys, right, it's kind of the same thing, but, and I also sent you guys a link before where you could go directly to the Fed site to see when they're speaking and making announcements and stuff like that. So I hope this video helps, and until next time.